2006 Ford Mustang GT Premium Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Just a little over 7,000 miles is all on this one. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Those are actual miles. Tungsten gray metallic. Now, some very tasteful modifications have been done to this car. I'm going to try to hit on them all. I will do a little walk around, show you the condition of it. Shows well maintained, well taken care of. Of course, underneath the hood, that 4.6 liter V8. This one has been built. That's where some of the modifications are done on it. Let's take a look at the front fascia. Grille. As you can see, paint shows well. Now, before I get into a bunch of details, I want to tell you where to check out the still pictures. So if you want to see the undersides, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where all the pics are. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, as you can see, it does have the optional polished wheels. As far as modifications to the engine, it has had a tune, SCT tune, and the tunes and the tuner will come with it. If you look at the underside pics, you are going to see that it does have an H-pipe, so it's got a pipes H-pipe underneath there. Also headers. Cats have been removed. Comp cam, 62 millimeter BBK throttle body, and it does have Sean Highland under drive pulley on it also. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We're also going to take it for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. This one sounds as good as it looks. Also, it drives out very nice. As we take a look up and down the passenger side, you can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Tires were just replaced in 2023. They have approximately 500 miles on them. 4.6 liter is paired up with the optional automatic transmission with overdrive. You can also see Shaker 500 stereo system. We do have a painted to match aftermarket wing, and if you take a look over here, the stock one is wrapped up and we'll go with it. There's your SCT tuner. There's also a folder of miscellaneous receipts and information, what was done to this car. Steeda ultralight springs. It also has adjustable front gas shocks, or struts, I should say. Sequential taillights. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. When we pop the hood, you can also see there's a Ram airbox that has been installed. I mentioned the BBK throttle body. Those are 18-inch machined wheels, by the way, and that was an option from Ford. We're going to go ahead and start it up here in just a second, let you hear it run. But first, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Pull that key for a second so we don't have to listen to the beep. All right, so your minor amenities: power windows, power locks, power seat over here on the driver's side. Take a look at the condition of the leather and the seating surfaces. What you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it, of course, tilt column, cruise control on the steering wheel, again, that Shaker 500 stereo system. Let's go ahead and take a look at your exact miles. 7,888. Oh, listen to that. Stereo system is working. This does have the My Color dash also, kind of set up with the gray backlights to match the exterior of this car, but you can change any color you want on there. Top of the dash looking good. There's a copy of the window sticker in with the still pictures too, so you can see, like on that, it's going to tell you it has the interior premium upgrade, which gives you more of the bright work up here in the dash. And you'll be able to see the 18-inch machined aluminum wheels on there. And then there's also an original 2006 brochure that will also go with this car. So kind of some memorabilia, miscellaneous paperwork, brochures, and listen to this. That doesn't sound like your stock GT, no doubt about that. And really, other than that wing on the exterior, this car looks pretty stock, but it's got a few tricks up its sleeve, you might say. So, tell you what, let me pause this 1 second. We're going to take a peek underneath this hood, point a few things out, and then at the end of this video, Jason's taking this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, get a look at the underside of the hood there with the hood liner. As you can see, it's pretty much spotless. You can tell this car has not been driven in inclement weather. And then a very nice addition, no prop rod. It does have the hood struts, a little bit of engine dress up with the powered by Ford plenum cover. If you're familiar with these 3 valves, notice the valve covers. It's not that ugly polished aluminum or whatever it is that kind of fits. These are what appear to be powder coated, nice gray color. Here's that cold air intake that we were talking about earlier. And there are receipts for these options. You're going to see that BBK throttle body here, mass airflow sensor. Some things have been changed. That 4.6, that thing has come to life in this one. You can see here the adjustable struts. Again, some nice, tasteful modifications. Going to make this car fun to drive, but yet keep its reliability. It's a beauty. Clean Carfax, and 7,888 miles is all on this 2006 Ford Mustang GT Premium Coupe. That interior upgrade package and more. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you have call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2006 Ford Mustang, and this car must be tweaked a little. We've got some power in this car. This is an automatic right here in the center console. Great exhaust sound, snappy throttle response that revs up nice and quick. And an excellent exhaust note. Only 7,890 miles on the odometer currently. All our gauges are working great. Oil pressure and battery are about 2/3 of the gauge. Fuel showing 3/4 and the temperature right in the middle. Factory tachometer and speedometer working great. AC's blowing cold. Stereo. Also very good sounding. I'd say darn close to like new interior. Paint looks great too. Feels great, nice and tight in the suspension and the steering. Quiet ride, no wind noise to speak of that I've heard. Cornering, very nice, doesn't lean much at all. Throttle aggressive. I got a little too much and I felt the back end want to move a little. We got traffic. There we go. Very nice acceleration in this Mustang. Tastefully done modifications Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.